boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.
Alright, so a little tip about wig installs, they do not always have to be... Sometimes wig installs can be intense. They don't always have to be intense. They don't always have to be time consuming. They don't always have to be a frontal. I want to say the easiest wig to start with are closure wigs. Now at first I was a frontal girl. You could not get me to put a closure on, but now you can't get me to put a frontal on. I love closures. They're super easy to put on. You take them off, easy to customize, easy to manage. And instead of worrying about like ear to ear, you only gotta worry about like this much. Like, and I think that like a 5x5 closure is like the perfect size. So yes, my wig is already like, my thing is already set up. My jazz is already set up. For the sake of the video, not the sake of the video, but I do need to redo my baby hairs. And I just want to put some curls in. I never wear curls. This is from SVT. I'm pretty sure that's how I pronounce it. Let me see. I'm pretty sure this is from SVT Hair. And this is a wig they sent to me. I also did a video on that. I will link that in this video. Yep, it is SVT Hair Mall. This is 5x5 HD lace, 30 inches. And I just want to curl her. She's one of my favorite closure wigs. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you like how to, you know, install your little wig in a timely fashion. So I'm not gonna talk much longer. We're just gonna get into this install.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my release, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna.
So the next step is, as you see, I was trying to press my hair out the way. This is my favorite wig, what is it? Wig holding spray, wig super hold wig spray. This is from the olive oil brand ORS. And then another one that I like is the Eben Wonder Lace. This is good too. But me and this one, we just have a special bond, so I tend to go for this one more. So all I'm doing is like, I'm trying to be careful and not end up with another burn spot. But baby, this hair gotta be slicked. And then for to get my part, I just put some concealer on it and like that little hair tinting spray. Y'all know the one I'm talking about. I'll link it all down below. But I'm just trying to get my hair as sleek and as flat as possible, because you know, we don't do, it's 2022, baby. Oh, sorry. It's 2022, whether you a beginner or not. If you new here, we do not do bulky wigs. We do not, it's way too many methods, options, teachers, YouTube videos showing you how to get your wig flat. I'm just another one showing you how to get your wig flat. So, first step of getting that wig flat, hot combing, and when you think you've hot combed enough, you've never hot combed enough. Keep hot combing, baby. So I put my band down so like when I spray it, it can like, you know, just sit there and sit for a minute, soak, marinate. I don't want this hair right there no more. Soak and marinate. And yeah, I'll be back.
Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get. You can do what you wanna live, how you wanna spit, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunning till I get.
Put a little bit of lightweight leave-in serum on my hair. You only need a little bit. Yes, I throw a little bit at the top. Most of it's through the bottoms and through the hair. Just like I said, you do not need a lot because we don't want to weigh the hair down. I don't want to weigh the hair down at all. That's like my pet peeve, is like sticky or like weighed down hair. I hate that. Or it look greasy, it don't move, and it don't want to like separate from each other. Not that girl. So what's next? Okay. So I'm about to do the baby hairs real quick. I could do the baby hairs real quick. You can go ahead and go up there though. I don't need you. So when I do my baby hairs, I like to, so when I have closures, for some reason when I have closures, I don't really like to do a baby hair in the middle. Like, I don't know why, I just don't. So I'll just take the little, come on y'all, don't start that. That's another thing, you gotta unfreeze them. Like, I know people like doing their baby hairs with like freeze spray, but then you have to like unfreeze them, and that's work because you do not want to rip none out because you don't want to do that. So I like to take foam, get this little hair foam, and the olive oil RS spray to do my baby hairs. Styling my hair, I'm just gonna throw some quick curls in them. Throw some quick curls in my hair because I'm a little pressed for time. So I'm gonna be taking this big barrel. I'm pretty sure this is, what inch is this? Oh, it's making noise. I actually don't know what inch this is. 1.5 inch barrel, and throwing some quick curls in it. So yeah, because that's what I want to do. I don't want nothing too defined, just quick little 1-2. But what I'm gonna do first is straighten it a little bit. Yeah, So this is how we gonna do this. I'm gonna do one side of my hair, and then I'm gonna just have the other side done. Like, I'm gonna do one side on camera, and then I'm gonna do the other side off camera. So I finished my hair. Focus, baby. Finished my hair. The lace looks good, nice and laid, and like this is just like a quick and easy wig install. The curls came out cute. They're how I like them. I don't like my curls tight. Like I just like these curls kind of feel a little bit, and I ain't curling them, but I just kind of like my curls, like, you know what I'm saying? I just like a little bit of body to the hair. Like I don't like nothing crazy. Just I don't even really like my curls to be like, I just said it, I'll put some more serum on my hair. I don't like my curls to be too tight. Like I just don't like. So this makes me happy. Like I'm good with this. Like I promise y'all, like I'm happy with this. SVT hair, HD lace, 30 inches. Somebody looks like, girl, you barely curled your hair. But remember I said this is what works for me, and what works for me doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me. So bounce and texture, you know what I'm saying? Nice length, nice fullness, not too thick, not too thin. And yeah, so when they come to me getting my hair curled or curling my hair or whatever, like, and like even I won't recurl my hair all the way. I'll just throw a couple of curls in my hair even when it's like this, because like I said, that's what I like. But yeah, before I do my outro, I'm gonna come back and beat my face look, complete this look, because girl, if the hair is done, the makeup has to be done. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna do a little transition. Can't do it if I'm bumping legs. Okay, we're gonna do a little transition now. And we're done. Okay, y'all like the hair, the lace is laid. These are the exact type of curls I like. My face is beat. This is my updated natural beat. Like, you got somewhere to go but you don't want to do too much, she's that girl. Y'all should really tune in and see that video. I dropped some pretty good tips. It's also very, very beginner friendly. You don't have to take as many steps as I do. because I know it's doing extra stuff like under the skin, highlighting under the skin, blush. Now, when I mean under skin, I just mean under the foundation. You don't have to do that. You don't have, you can still get this super neat. This beat is beautiful. She's super neat. Yeah, I call it a neat beat because I'm a neat freak. Now look, stuff like. But yeah, y'all, I really like my hair. Like I told y'all, these are the type of curls that I like, that I go for. Not too tight, nice and loose, like just like, I don't know, like basically like waves. Like these are really waves to me, if you ask me. Like they really are. Yeah, they really just like throwing a couple curls in there, and they real quick. Like you don't want straight hair, but you don't want your curls tight. Just throw a couple. Okay, get you like a 1.5 wand or a 2-inch wand. Throw them in there. You're good. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this install. Don't forget to tune into the video for this beat. And yes, honey, we're looking good. We're looking, you can see into the future. But that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Connect with me and my socials down below. All the products I used to install this wig, including this wig, the link to this wig will be linked down below along with the rest of the links. Whew, that's a mouthful. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me, and I will see you in the next. Have a blessed day.